and the iCloud is not working. Connection error on iCloud. I'm getting this error on iCloud. iCloud encountered an error while you're trying to connect to the server. So sometimes I'm getting the verification failed. There is incorrect password, incorrect username, and there are some other services which are facing some issues as well. What's really going on with the Apple ID iCloud? Now, without further ado, let me show you onto the apple.com support.system status. In fact, guys, we have got some latest update as of today. There are some outage issues going into the iCloud. So let me show you all the details. Alright guys, so first of all, right over here onto the down detector, here you can see there are about 1488 outage reports. That means a serious issue is going on into the iCloud. Servers are currently down, making the third outage in just 4 days. Now let me show you what does the Twitter has to say regarding it. Well, here you can see guys, just few seconds ago, check this out, iCloud is down. Tons and tons of people are reporting that iCloud servers are currently down, making the third outage in just 4 days. See, just right now, some users are affected, maybe unable to send or receive the mail. iCloud down. Just check this out 1 minute ago. iCloud service currently down. The outage is going on. Now, without further ado, let me show you onto the apple.com support.system status. So there you can see the latest status of the services. So here you can see guys, Apple Music outage. iCloud is facing the outage as of right now, and there are some other services which are facing some issues as well, but iCloud is definitely down as per the Apple system status. And definitely guys, this is the case happening now as of right now. Do they have got any latest update? Well, I already showed you the latest update. Once I get any latest details guys, I'll keep you posted, but remember, it is affected for all the people, not just you and me. So don't worry about it, it will soon get fixed. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.